Hey, it's Mike with Hawaii Realty International. Today's topic, it's the 5 things you can do to prepare your home for sale. So the first thing is the curb appeal. So when you put your buyer glasses on, take a look at your house from the street, how does it look? How's the mailbox? Does it need to be repainted? Is it crooked? What are the gates like? The fences, the garden in front of the fences, how do they look? Then move towards the front door. Does the front door need to be painted? Is there a garden around the front door area that maybe needs some flowers to improve that? If there's a screen door, does it need to be replaced or removed? And then enter the home. How does it look when you first enter the home? Are there furnishings that are in front of the door that seem to block you, that doesn't lend itself to an open feeling? If so, move those furnishings into the garage. Then also take a look at the carpeting. Does it need to be shampooed perhaps? Painting. The walls look nice. How does the house smell? Maybe add some diffusers, some vanilla scented diffusers. Take a look at these light fixtures. Do they look old, worn out? Do they need to be changed? Are the light bulbs all different illumination types, like warm white and bright light? Have all those uniform. And then also declutter and depersonalize. So you may have a lot of pictures of your family in the house, and that's great. But when we have a buyer come into the home, we want them to feel, they imagine themselves living in the home. And when there's a lot of pictures of your family, it makes them feel like they're invading your space. So depersonalize. And then declutter. Take a look at all the horizontal surfaces and remove everything that's on the surfaces and only put back 1 or 2 things that are decorative in nature. Then move into the kitchen. Take a look at the pull knobs. Do they need to be updated? They look old. Are the appliances all uniform, or are they mismatched? We recently helped someone replace all the kitchen appliances with stainless steel for less than $3,000. It's a worthwhile investment. And then go into the bathroom. Towel racks, do they need to be changed? The light fixtures, how do they look? The mirrors, do they look nice? Shower curtain, maybe update that. If you have sliding glass doors in the bathroom, is there any soap scum or buildup on those? Okay, so we're going to recap the 5 things. Again, it's curb appeal. The second thing is deferred maintenance. Third is declutter, depersonalize. 4 and 5 are the kitchen and bathroom. Okay, that's it. Thanks for coming by. Aloha.